Hey guys, today we talk about how can you add a training reminder on your pickup. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, click here on this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on training reminders here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Select here days, then here select time. So then it's going to add with you here on your pickup. So that's all you have to do to add your training reminders. Just follow this ways, then here it's going to work with you. That's all. I wish you a great thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.